Smith for Amanda. Now, Amanda, listen up. We're flipping over. Not under. If you guys want to see us take this jump, everybody say yeah. No.
Together, like a family. Everybody say yeah.
Don't move, okay?
Don't move.
Head down. And pray.
Amen.
Hey, Polly, are you ready? A little more dangerous. Young lady, legs closed. Arms to the side. Head down. Don't move. Hey, you can't change colors.
It happened to me.
How?
I was anxious.
Shut up, man. What's the
You make me wanna.
Everybody, jump his head! Everybody! I know.
Looking crazy. I know, we want to go?
Guys,
No. They is coming with a Raising Cane's out here in the city. Oh, he is lit now. I always see that on TV, on Instagram. I'm like, I want to taste them fries. Them fries look good. Yes. Oh, this is what I got. I didn't even know this is where it was. I took it from the guy, but I was like, where's the Jollibee at? It's crowded though. Damn. They got a chicken sandwich. Get one? Thank you. I ate this before. It tastes really good, but the line is long as hell. And it's packed inside. Come on, take a picture with him.
And fashion we experience only at Madame Tussauds.
There's a key over here, the piano. Come, when she finished, come. Okay? You can't go over there. I thought we could go over there. I don't know who this is. Last time I came in here, I could have went over there. Now I can't went over. There's that Kim Kardashian right here. No, not Beyonce. I thought it was Beyonce. Sarah Banks. And again, what's Sarah here? What's Sarah here? Give me brushes, man.
Needle.
You know, boy,
At least they moved the thread. Come. In the city. at the menu and I didn't like how the food looked, so yeah. And they have like a resort inside too. We got Land Shark Bar and Grill. They got a resort inside, like a hotel type thing. Got a rooftop. See people up there. It's big. But we going to BBQs. Well, I know I'm gonna enjoy the food. Cause I was looking at the menu or something and I didn't like it. Taco coming soon.
Yes, I do.
People upstairs going to see more celebrities because there's more celebrities upstairs. Well, you gotta pay. But I'm gonna do that next time because yeah. Now we're about to go to BBQs to get something to eat. We went to BBQs already a couple times, so I think we're gonna try Dave and Buster's. I've been there before with him years ago. Like I think Kimani went there when he was like a kid, like when he was younger, like probably 4 or 5 or probably younger. But he ain't been there in a long time. That's where we're going. Eat, drink, and play. I love you. Come here. Come up. I ain't trying to be out here long either, but
Look at wing flavor. They got Jamaican jerk. Alright, so we're gonna get some wings because I know you want wings. Definitely get the Jamaican jerk. And I want a burger. Those look good. Oh, but this won't take long. I drink it here. It's good. This is marble. That's crazy. 6? Log in to this burger right here. Over there, I got fire in. We got food. I thought it was gonna be more, you know. Fine. I think I'm off it. That's why we want to put my hand away. I'm about to try this chicken. It's so dry. I thought it was gonna be baked. I do not like the share. Just damn it if not because I took another chicken. Good.
Fuck your pride, just take it on back, boy, take it on back, boy.
We both finished eating, and I'm tired. So, we're gonna hold on the play part for another time because I'm ready to go home. I've been out here for hours now. I'm tired. This is the end of the video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Come on. Look at the rock up there. And we going home because I'm tired.